floating. No, do it on this side. Gotta do it this side. Need some help? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Alright, come watch. Come watch. Tell me when you see it. There it is. What you doing, Macy? The shark ate it? I know, we went hunting for sticks. Oh no, Harper! There's a shark in there! There's a shark eating the sticks. What you gonna do with it? Whoa!
Oh no, shark is not a big!
A shark! Oh no! Okay, you gotta take from the top. Go, there's 2. That's 2. He's big? I see it floating. Do we need to go get more sticks? Okay, let's go get him.